This fully looks like I've just got a cup of coffee in a Disney mug for this video, but if you turn to the collection of glasses and cups I have that I haven't taken down from my room, it's still just all Disney. That's just me as a person, it's not video specific.
Hopefully it's entertaining.
Oh, makeups. I am super excited because I'm going to Disneyland Paris tomorrow. My mum surprised me and got us tickets for my graduation. We're staying for 5 nights and we're staying at the Newport Lodge, which is really exciting because I've never stayed in a Disney hotel before. Like, I've been to Disney World twice and Disneyland California 2 or 3 times and done each park each time. Like the California Adventure and Disneyland, and then when I was in Disney World I did Disney World, Animal Kingdom, Epcot, all those. Like when I go, I do each of the parks. I've always wanted to stay on site, so that's really, really cool. Really excited about it. So I've been down a YouTube hole the past amount of weeks, just looking at like people's Disney bags, what they're gonna do in Disney, what the different things are. So because I've been to Disney a couple of times now and I kind of know what I'm doing, all the parks are unique in their own ways, but they're not all hugely different. So I thought I would show you my Disney bag today and what I'm packing in it. Is it too early to get a glass of wine to put into my Tears of Unfortunate Souls mug? Glass. It's a muggy glass. This is the bags that I am bringing to Disneyland Paris. It's a Loungefly Captain Marvel bag. I got it for Christmas and I love it. It's been on my back nearly every day. So I know it's comfortable, I know it's sturdy, I know it's durable. I will be tightening the straps because I'm wearing skirts every day. And you know yourself, if you're wearing backpacks and you have a skirt, if it sits at a certain like height, it messes with the bottom of your skirt and pulls it up. I always wear cycle shorts underneath just in case, but still you want to be comfortable. So this is the bag I'm bringing. It's a mini backpack, so it's quite small, keeps everything in, but it's big enough that it holds everything, so you're not having to bring a bum bag and a backpack, and you're not like bringing a huge backpack on all the rides, because that just gets cumbersome and annoying and you don't want to be doing that. So I was seeing on loads of videos that people have ear clips. These are what they look like. For they're Mickey ears for if you're like going from the airport straight to the park, or if you, because I know these hairbands can really push in the back of your ears, so if you want to take them off during the day. They don't really sell those in the UK. I was looking and you could only really get them on Etsy, and then it was like ages for them to arrive, and I wasn't a huge fan of a lot of them. So I, for once, had a brainwave and bought these, which are clips for prams and buggies. So you can like put your shopping on them. You put this bit on the pram, and this is where you like hook your shopping on. But if you just repurpose it, it works as an ear clip. So it's pretty similar. It's not obviously as pretty, but it does the job. So I'm just putting this on the strap of my bag here. And I've tried it on whenever it's on me, and it just sits on the bottom quite comfortably. So you can do that, or if you have a bag that has some kind of thing you can attach to the front, you can put it on a zipper if you have a bigger zipper thing. Just means you're not tied to having to have your ears on all day, which can get kind of annoying or can be sore. Or if you buy multiple ears during the day, you can swap them out. Or if you have kids who are going to get bored with a headband halfway through the day, you can just clip them out, put them on the side. That's you sorted, which is always handy. Put them on my shoulder like a little parrot. What's wrong with me? My Iron Man painting is kind of covering my ears because they're both dark, but I'll see if I can like scoot down. Yeah, you can see it like that. These are my little graduation ears. My friend who lives in California sent me these over because you can only get them at the 2 American parks. Still, they don't sell these at Paris. They only sell in the Disney parks in America. So my friend sent me it over because whenever we were in Disney California last year, I was like, oh, these are super cute, but they say your class year on the side. So I couldn't buy mine last year because it wouldn't have been class of 2019. So wouldn't have worked. Why didn't I take these off earlier to show them? Because this looks a lot better. So I'm going to go through what's in the front little zippy bit first, and then I'll go into the main part of the bag. Okay, so opening it up, what I've got in the front pouch is some allergy tablets and painkillers. It is the middle of summer at the minute. My hay fever's killing me, so, and if your feet are sore, you're complaining or anything, it's always good to have some painkillers with you. So next I have a wee external power pack. Just to recharge, it's got 2 ports, one for me and one for my mum. So just to recharge your battery when you're at the park, because if you're using the Line Bertie app, if you want to meet and greet with characters, if you're using the Disneyland app for PhotoPass, or if you're wanting to check line times, your phone battery's going to go down quite quick, especially if it's sunny out and you have to have your phone on full brightness to see anything. So a wee external battery pack just does you the world of good. Sorry about that. I had to stop because my dog was going mental downstairs, but I figured it was a perfect time for an ear change. These are really, really cute actually ones. They're adorable. These are actually my mom's. I asked if I could borrow them to film. I got her these as a little present for going to the parks because she surprised me with the parks, so I thought I'd surprise her with some ears. They were made by this shop on Etsy, so check them out. They're very, very cool. So I was on the front pocket, sorry. Next thing I have in there is my inhaler because I am asthmatic. I also brought some mints in the front pocket because if you're going right through all day, having food all day, different kinds of food. Also, if you're doing extra early magic hours and you're a little gross since you brushed your teeth, a little freshen up. And also if you're in lines for ages and you get a little hungry, normally mint kind of like tide you over until you can get some food, which is great. A little lip balm just because it's meant to be 42 when we're over, so it's gonna be hot. Just a little bit of hydration is always good. Now, these are really cute. I made these. I'm very proud of them. I've got little passes of all the things that we want to do and can do while we're in the park. So we're on the Half Ward Plus plan. So I have what they're the accepted dining locations we can eat at, and it's color coded for what's Disney Village, Disney Studios, and Disneyland, and what ones are in hotels as well. I've got what rides that we have to do in the park and what rides we have to do in the studios. And then I've got what characters we both want to meet in like order of if we have time, who we need to prioritize, and also the opening hours of the park and parades on the back. And yeah, these are just really quite easy to make. I literally just did it in Word and jazzed it up, put it on some cards so it's a bit more resilient, and then I'm gonna laminate it tonight because I haven't laminated it yet because I am lazy. That's all it's in my front pocket, and it all just fits in nice and neatly, really handy. Yeah, if I could not rustle things when I'm talking, it'd probably be really handy, wouldn't it? So I'm gonna move on to the main bit of the bag. So first things first, I've got my purse, which has a little bit in the front, which my driver's license is currently in, so I'm going to cover that up to keep your ticket in, just so if you want to scan and go. It's got a bit inside just for euros and stuff. And there is a hook so you can put it on a lanyard, because I know a lot of people like lanyards for the parks. I'm not a huge lanyard person, but personal preference. I have hand sanitizer because parks can be gross. Everyone's touching everything. These are strawberry laces flavored because I like things flavored. Is it flavored if you don't eat it? Would your skin cream be seaweed flavored? Or because you're not eating it? It smells like strawberry laces. Got some tissues. See earlier points about hay fever. And we've got some antibacterial hand wipes, just because a lot of the things in the park food wise are like for your hand, not obviously everything goes in your hand. But like if you're having a donut or anything, your hands will be sticky afterwards, and you don't want that. So a little bit of that, because this doesn't always get rid of stickiness. So a couple of hand wipes are always just helpful. Got a hairbrush because you can't really, well, I personally can't because my hair tangles quite easily because I have naturally poker straight hair. So if I put any kind of wave in like this or leave it alone for any period of time, it's just a big old tangled mess. So hairbrush. You've got a pen for autographs. And if you need to sign anything at the hotel or like credit cards or anything, always have a pen like anywhere, like just day-to-day life. Carry a pen. You don't, what do you do? Got some shades for when it's sunny, because it's meant to be 40 all of next week. It's gonna be. So I've actually, this is a little tip that I like. I've gone for ones that don't have metal feet. You see how these have metal feet on them? These don't. These are just plastic. They're a lot easier if you are going to slide them up into your hair or anything, because then they don't get caught coming down, or they don't tear clothes if you're putting them there. So if you are going to be having them on and off because you're going inside and outside, always try and get ones with plastic or no feet. Fun tip. Okay, next we've got a little fan, just in case it's super hot and we need to cool down. Oh, what is this angle? Oh, it's cheaper and easier than getting one of the park fans that are plastic and need batteries and everything. So it's just get yourself a fan. Next thing I have is a rain poncho. Whenever it's warm, or a lot of people, I know I do, for Disney, like to have like a cute outfit planned. You don't really want to wreck it with like a big waterproof. And if you're just going on a quick water ride, you don't really want a huge thing. So just a little rain poncho. This was like, a pack of 5 was like 6-7 quid off Amazon. So does you rightly. Job was a good one. Also in the back I have a little baby autograph book. It's really cute and tiny. I don't fancy paying like $17.99 at the park for an autograph book, when it's the autographs you want, not the book. So Amazon, $1.99. Prime next day delivery. Do that. Is very important. Hydration. You need to have a water bottle. So I got like a little mini small water bottle that just fits in my backpack, because it's going to be hot. You're going to want water. Iced coffee is not the only thing you should be drinking all day. Don't do that. I'm really sad that my Mickey Red Nose Day bottle didn't fit, but it's just a wee small thick boy, same amount of water, but fits perfectly in my backpack, so it's easier, and you can refill in any of the parks, including Paris. And even if there aren't water fountains, if you find a Starbucks, you can ask for water. I think it'll be like a couple of euro maximum charge, but in California I know they didn't charge you for water, so pretty handy. Next we've got, this is honestly like Mary Poppins bag. I have no idea how I got so much stuff in here, but I'm not mad about it. But we have my camera, just on a little neckline. Oh, that looks great. This is the look we're going for in the parks. Yep, it'll just be handy for night photos or anything. If you want nice photos in front of the castle with cast members, not cast members, with characters. You can't get with cast members if they'll let you. I mean, that'd be cool. Get a couple nice photos. Also, if you're out about in Paris or California or wherever you are for a Disney park, just a couple of like snippy snips. Ooh. This one's dual function, so it's in here not only to provide extra padding for the camera, but also scarf in case it gets overly cold at night. Now this one, I folded it really well, so I'm not going to unfold it, but it's one of the big ones that you can put around your shoulders and stuff, which is good for if your shoulders are starting to burn, or if it's getting kind of chilly at night, or if you're wanting to sit down while you're waiting for a parade to start, you can just put it on the ground to protect your little tootsie. Returns with the original Mickey Mouse graduation ears. So that is what's in my Disney park bag. That's all the stuff I think you'll really need in the park. Everything else, like snacks and stuff, you can get there. I am bringing like a pack of cereal bars just to put in the side, because this bag has some pouches at the side, which are good for like loads of like water bottles, stuff, whatever you want to put in the side. If you have flat stuff, like I'm going to be putting for character breakfast and stuff, the autograph book on one side and the pen on the other, just so I can look, boom, let's go. But yeah, it's really handy. Loungefly is a really good brand for it. Like, I know there's loads of different Disney and Marvel ones, so if you're looking for a themed park bag that you're going to keep using afterwards, that's a good place to go. But honestly, best place, just get one of the standard Mickey Mouse ones from Primark. There's no point spending a huge amount of money if you don't already have a bag like that. because bags can get really, really dirty in the park because you have to put them around your feet and stuff whenever you're on rides. So unless you already have a themed Disney bag that you want to bring, just get a bog standard one out of Primark or Dunn's or something. And if you don't want to pay the full price for ears, you can always get Etsy ones, which are super, super cute. I really, really love these. I was so pleased that they could get here in time, and my mom loves them. I'm so happy. But yeah, so that's everything that I have in my Disney bag, everything I think you'd need. We're gonna bring little cereal bars or snacks to put like the side of the bag, is what I was trying to say with that pocket tangent, but I tangented as normal. Went on a tangent. I tangented didn't. Yeah, so that's everything I think you'd need for your upcoming Disney trip. I hope anyone who's going to Disney is going to have a great time. If you have any other tips or tricks for what to put in your Disney bag, if I've missed something that you think is an absolute crucial thing to have in your bag, pop it in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. You have spots on your forehead, get one of these tassels, and now it's just covered. Wonderful. I don't know which side this is meant to go on, so anyone who actually had caps at their graduation, let me know. I don't want to look dumb. More dumb than I usually. Okay, bye.